Yo, what's up? This M.
This T.
And together, we Chrome. That's right. We full-blooded Indiana Hoosiers. That's right.
We love corn.
Our forefathers, all farmers.
Farmers.
We eat corn. We breed corn. Guess what? We are
corn.
Corn. That's right. C-O-R-N.
Corn.
That's right. That's how it is spelled. Are you sure?
Are you sure? I have a dictionary.
She a dictionary.
I
That's
am a
right.
dictionary.
She beat you up at N spelling bee.
I want a spelling bee.
Exactly. That's how good she is. And the M and the T. The M stands for Mariam.
The T stands for Tiffany.
And you know the crumbs part. That's right.
Because we're crummy.
Exactly.
We're corny and crummy.
That's what we're gonna leave it at. Corny crumbs. That's what we are. We're corn crumbs.
We are corn crumbs.
Corn crumbs. That's right.
Corny crumbs.
So for now. Be sure to watch our live videos. We new YouTube channel. And subscribe button over there. That's right. Ta-ta. TT. Tutu.
Bye-bye.